Hi there. Have you ever felt overwhelmed or suffocated in your own living space? After a long day at work, what you need most is a little corner to relax and recharge. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through 3 simple steps to create a green space right inside your home. Not only will it beautify your living area, but it also brings significant health and mental benefits. Stay with me until the end to discover why you need to do this and how to carry out each step and the amazing results you can achieve. So, why do you need a green space at home? Green spaces reduce stress, boost your mood, and enhance focus. A small green corner in your home can become sanctuary where you recharge after a busy day. Plants purify the air, remove toxins, and improve the quality of your sleep. According to research, having a green space can reduce psychological stress by up to 30%. Small green plants not only beautify your home, but also create harmony, make your living space feel more vibrant and alive. Like my friend Mary, she's a homemaker. She said that adding a few snake plants to her living room made it more lively, and her kids began enjoying the time at home even more. There are 3 steps to create a relaxing green space in your home. So, step 1, plan and choose a spot. Start by selecting the right spot in your home, somewhere with good natural light, like near a window or balcony. If space is unlimited, you can opt for a corner in the living room or your work desk. Organize the area smartly. For example, you can use hanging plant shelves to save space. And step 2, choose plants that suit your space and care preference, like air purifying plants like snake plants or spider plants, like plants such as succulents or cacti. Water-based plants if you love something unique. If you have a pet or small children, go for safe options like marble pots. Step number 3, decorate and maintain. Get creative with your planters. Use wooden boxes, woven baskets, or glass jars. Add decorative touch like string light, paper, or small figurines to make your green space pop. Don't forget to water your plants and clean them regularly. Eggplants have a different needs for sunlight and water, so make sure to receive proper care. When you complete these steps, your living space will transform dramatically. Your home will feel fresher and more lively. You will experience a sense of calm every time you sit and admire your green corner. So another friend of mine said that just 2 weeks after setting up her green corner, he felt more connected to her home and found new motivation to tackle her daily task. It's amazing, right? So, start your journey to create your very own green space today. So start your journey to create your very own green space today. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below and I will get back to you in soon. And thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share or subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. Wishing you great success in creating a beautiful green space. Goodbye.